Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video. So this is going to be an easy one for you guys today. Maybe we can think of this as like a little bit of a break since our last two videos were kind of the hard part. So yeah, this is going to be a really easy one. It's actually going to only involve adding one line of code, but it's going to be a pretty powerful line of code that's going to allow us to do some cool things and make our value type we're working on a little bit more robust. Okay, so just for a review, this is the code we have so far. So if you guys don't have that, just make sure you put that in one of these cells and then run it so we can use it. But yeah, we have our value type that we're working on. We have the forward pass for addition, and then in the past two videos we did the full backward pass. So we can now do these like backward passes to calculate derivatives with respect to some output, at least for the addition operation. Okay, so later on we're going to work on adding more operations like multiplication, subtraction, division, stuff like that. But for this video, yeah, a little bit of a break, a little bit of an easy video. We're just going to work on adding one line to do one thing. So the thing that we want to do in this video is we want to make it so that we can do like operations like this, for example, where rather than adding a value and another value, we want to be able to add a value and a regular number and have Julia know what to do and give us the output as a value. So part of the way we're going to do this is, if you guys remember, in like the second lesson when we started working on our value type, I told you guys about this subtyping number here, making our value type a subtype of the general number type in Julia. And we said we're going to discuss that a little bit later because I didn't want to get into it back in the second lesson. But yeah, we're going to discuss a bit of that today. So today we're going to actually make use of this subtyping as numbers. So basically, one of the cool things we can do with that subtyping is, well, first, before we implement it, I'll show you guys what this looks like now, what kind of error we get. Yeah, so we get an error saying promotion of types value, nothing, and int64 failed to change any arguments. So yeah, a little bit of a confusing error, but basically, the promotion it's talking about is when there's an operation involving two different types of things that are not the same like type, Julia sees if it's possible to like promote one of them to match the other and then do the operation. But for this combination, our value type and then an int64, there's no defined promotion rule to allow for this kind of operation to happen. So we're going to define that with one line of code actually. So this is the cool thing about this subtyping as a number, is that we can fix this issue pretty easily. So it's going to be, yeah, like I said, one line. We're going to say base dot promote rule parentheses colon type brackets subtype and yeah, this little like less than colon is the Julia notation for subtype. So subtype value comma type t, where t is a subtype of number equals value. So yeah, a little bit of confusing syntax here, but maybe you guys can just take my word for it. So basically, this is saying that if Julia sees an operation where one of the types is a subtype of value, and then the other type is a subtype of number, that's not necessarily a value, it could just be like an int64, like a float64 or something, then this should be evaluated in a way that the output is a value, and that's done by like promoting, they call it, this object of type t to a value type, basically. Yeah, so when we do that, we should be able to get this to work, I think. Let's try it. Yeah, see, it works. So that's just yeah, it's just a nice, easy way to deal with this issue. We can do it the other way around too. We can say like the number first, and then the value, like that. Whoops, sorry, I forgot to print these separately when we have two of them. Okay, yeah, these can also be like floats if we want them to be, or I just did demonstrate all. Yeah. Yeah. So this line here, it's just a really easy way to add some more robustness. Basically, just defining this promotion rule, where if Julia sees an operation with one of our value types and a number, it knows to promote the number to a value type so that it can carry out the operation. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty easy video for you guys today. Yeah, in the next couple of videos, we're going to add some more operations because right now we can still only do addition. So we're off to a good start. And like I said, we've done kind of the hard part already. The hard part is like the logic of this backward pass. So these two, back prop and then backward, those were the hard part. Now we just have some kind of easy things to do, just adding in some more operations. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.